Support online. Okay, hi guys, my name is Maria and today we'll discuss new trading situations. You are online, so you're welcome to ask me questions and I'll answer what I think about the market. Today is Monday, 19th of April, and we have a really tough time because markets are being crazy and funny and they're giving us profits. So I feel really easy to discuss with you trading situations because I got profits. When there are bad times, when I get stop losses or when I don't know what to do with the market, I'm not that communicative. But when it's all good, I'm really fine and happy and ready to share my ideas with you. So yeah, that's why I made online today. You know that I had all those like trading clubs, and now I do publish all my trading ideas here on YouTube, sometimes in Telegram channel. I do have Instagram, so you're welcome to join my Instagram. And all those trading ideas I share because I think that you will think first how to trade, how much money to put, and after that you use my trading ideas. So I only show you what I know about the market, and your responsibility to put the right amount of money, to put stop losses, to fix your profit, and of course to spend money on you. Okay, let's check. I asked you a question in Telegram channel, what you want to discuss, and 47% were about the gold. Okay, let's start with the gold. After that, euro, and after that, Great Britain pound. Good. Okay, so we'll talk about the gold. By the way, this is our euro profit. That was like 120.30 target, and I'm really glad that it's done because actually I closed my position at 120.20. After that, on 1 minute time, on 1 minute chart, I was following the market to get 120.30 profit. I know it's not that much, but well, from 119.90 to 120.30 today, it's 40 pips. We are good. We are really good, and I'm so glad that you are online and you follow my videos, so you do have this profit as well, I hope. Let's go to gold. Here is gold, and here is the technique situation that I think we should use. And I know that you have like 2.7% plus right now because we discussed last week on April 15th. We discussed with you what's going on with the gold, and our entry point was around 1740. And I did give you a big research about what's going on with the gold and why we should buy and not sell. It wasn't based on some fundamental news that are really hard to understand for people who have a job, who have kids, who have a dog that they need to walk with, and they just want to go to the beach to swim. So yeah, to all the people that I know, they just want to know technical reason to enter market, how to put stop loss, and where to earn money. So that's why I gave you entry point. It was like 1740. After that, 1756. After that, your target is 1805. So I hope that you still hold your long positions. Well, let's begin. And what I usually do, I like to explain people why we should enter market and what's the technical reason for that. You know that market tried to break this level 1,700 here. It was last month, and this month in April they stopped and they start to go up. On monthly chart, you will never get this signal to buy. So we only check a huge technical picture on monthly chart to understand what's going on. We always have to open those long terms so we can see that it's going up. Right now, technical situation is really good for us to buy gold in a long-term condition, long-term. But there are not many people who are ready to do that. So you gotta be like really rich if you just hold golds. And mostly people who come to my YouTube channel, those are not rich people. Those are people who just want to earn more money for their families. That's why I show you that the monthly chart is only just to see a whole picture, to see what it looks like, what we have to hold to, what are our long targets. So we go to weekly chart. I add Ishimoku cloud, and this was a really good resistance. That is why I told you that we're going to buy only above 1756, 1763. So this was like, I hope I didn't kick it too hard. Yeah, so this was like a resistance that was important for me, and above this resistance, market will go easily to our higher targets. What we saw, this resistance, they break last week. So if they break it, we are easily going up. Let's go to daily chart. What can we understand? What can we see here? In March, in April, they made this double bottom thing. Touched once, touch second time, and go up. So we made the Ishimoku instrument, the Fibonacci extension. We took the Fibonacci extension and we get targets. With the Fibonacci extension, now with the levels that are there, so you don't change anything, you get target 1726, after that 1756, after that 1805, and this is our target right now. But pay attention. In every video, I tell you the same. Here is the 200 moving average. Ta-da! What it means? It means that right here, near 1720, 1788, 1792, well, this area, here is a 200 moving average on daily chart. It means that right now they're going up. We are in profit. It's so good. And we are going to hold our positions to 1805. Super. But here they may stop and give you a little rebound. So they will just go a little bit down, maybe to like 1775. So it looks like a good idea to fix your profit near 1792. Fix it. Wait until they test 1775, and after that enter market with the long positions to 1805. After that they may test even 1820, 1820. So this is what I see technically, and this is something that I really like about the gold right now. And you have to pay attention to this area. Please remember, like if they start to give you a rebound from here, believe that they may go back to 1775. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to make a 1 hour chart like this. And what may happen right now, they break it, test it, break it, and go down, and after that start to go up. So that's what you have to pay attention to if they don't reach it really fast right now. To support your idea about the gold, you can follow American dollar index, Euro dollar, and United States dollar with the Japanese yen. So this is like your technical support, which will give you a clue what's going on and what you can do here with the gold, because you can see that American dollar index is going down really fast today, and due to this fact, gold is going up. If American dollar index stops, this means that gold may go to our target 1775, and after that test and reach our target 1805. I'm gonna ask my support if it's all good. Yes, it's all good. There is nothing that I have to change, so you're welcome to use this gold idea. I hope I give you a clue what it is like right now and where you can enter market again. Please follow my Instagram. There I publish sometimes ideas. Please follow my Telegram channel. So there I will also give you a screenshot about the technical picture for gold faster than I do it on YouTube, because to prepare a video on YouTube it takes a little bit time, and Telegram channel and Instagram is a little bit faster. Well, okay. Euro. Let's go to euro dollar, because there also we are getting a good result right now. They gave 120.30. If you go back to my previous video that I made for you, you will see this target 120.30. Nice. This was a really nice technical situation. Not a big one, but thank you for that also. What else? We have target 120.60, 121. Should we buy right now? No. We need to check. Let's check. We need to check the intraday situation on 15-minute chart. Oh, I have a huge amount of stock instruments to discuss. Oh, there are so many things, but we talk about euro right now. If we go to euro dollar on 15-minute chart, look here. This is my trading system that I use for many years. For 15-minute chart, it combined, it includes, look, the envelopes, the stochastic oscillator, and moving averages. So those are instruments that I use all the time. And if you see that the price is in a flat, what means flat? That they have some level of resistance, they have some support, and prices being in between those lines. In this period, it's really good to use stochastic oscillator and to wait for some movements due to situation with the stochastic. My stochastic period is 14.35. So due to technical picture of American dollar index, due to technical picture of euro dollar on daily chart, I did understand I understood that there is no good seller, so price is going to go up. Due to this fact that I do understand a daily picture, 4-hour picture, 1-hour picture on American dollar index and euro dollar, I was buying euro dollar intraday. What is level of resistance? It was like 119.90. Why? Because market showed us this resistance. Look here. You don't need to be like super smart or to pay too much attention to this market. You just go through my researches and pay attention to the entry points that I'm talking about. Like this 190.90 area, this was entry point to buy, and above that your target is 120.30. That's it. Right now they reached the target. Stochastic oscillator went to the highest level. Does it mean that we have to buy or to sell? It means nothing right now. But what I can tell you for sure that there is no sell signal right now. So if you enter market right now, you feel like you want to buy, you can try to do that. You can try. There is no signal though, but they're not selling as well. If you buy right now, it's okay to hold to like 120.58, and the bad thing is about the stop loss, because stop loss with the rules you have to put under the previous extremum or under previous level of resistance, level of support. So now it's under the level of support. It looks like you can put only to like 119.84. It's too bad. It doesn't work like that. So if you want to enter now and buy with the target 120.58, you open 1 minute chart and you have to draw all those tendencies. If you go like this, if you go like this up, you can see that 120.27 is an area where they still can touch and rebound. If they touch and rebound from here, this will be a good extremum under which you will put your stop loss. But right now there is no other extremum. Like in this moment, in this minute, there is no other extremum. You see it going down right now. So you can see that they're on 15-minute chart, they're tired to go up, but they're not that strong to go down. So that's why on 1-minute chart we're trying to figure out what is the support, what is those pips support that may help you to enter a market with a like good price and to have this target 120.58. Yes. So yeah, right now I don't see good sell signal, but to buy we need like maybe 2-3 more minutes for market to stay in range, and after that they'll give you a new maximum. It looks like it right now. So yeah, like when we reach some target, it's really hard to say like they will go further up or they will give you a rebound right now. That's why we are looking for a good entry point many hours. We are just looking for a good entry point. And due to the fact that I'm here for many years, we have, for example, 30 currency pairs. It does not mean that I'm going to trade all of them. I am trying to find the beautiful technical picture. And where I do find this the most understandable for me technical picture, that's the moment where I go and trade. If you check my previous videos, I all the time give you trading ideas for Great Britain pound, for Japanese yen. Sometimes I say something like, I don't know what to do, so let's do nothing. And it's the best decision sometimes, So for euro dollar, you also can right now wait. In psychological situation, in your head, when people see profit, they start to ask like, oh, so tell me what to do right now, because you said it and it went that way, so you know what to do. It's not like that. We go through many technical situations all the time, and sometimes we find this beautiful one and we follow it and we catch it. In 1 hour, we don't know what will happen to market. So what we do, we try to find beautiful technical situation, next one. And that's how it works. If we go back to researches, well, for example, you remember that technical situation for Ethereum, because it went to our target 2,500 and now it's going down, but it reached my target. It wasn't something that I made. I just used Same technical instruments, the Fibonacci extension, the Fibonacci levels, and it gives me entry points. It gives me targets that I use. And right now, if you go to the previous video, you will see what I'm waiting for Ethereum. So yeah, go check that video. For example, for Norway Kron, to my Russian trading club, that was our entry point today, this one. 535, so we put our stop loss above 835, yeah, and put stop loss above 844, and our target goes to 8.05. It's too far, I know, so it's kind of far, but this is the daily chart target, and this is something beautiful that I see. It does not mean that today, tomorrow, or in a month they will reach this target. I do not know when they will reach this target, but I know how it will go there, okay? Because I see technical picture. What else? What else? For Euro Japanese yen? For Euro Japanese yen, I hope you remember that my target is 131. 131 right here. So yeah, you can go check my entry points right now online, and you can use it, by the way, due to this day. Look here, the tendency line. I gave you lessons, by the way. I gave you a lot of lessons for trading, and in my trading club I was giving you many videos. So this is the tendency. What do you see right now? Price is touching this tendency. What I'm going to do after I make this video stream for you, I'm going to wait market to break this tendency. If they break, or when they break, we will enter market with the target 131. It's easy. That's how it works. So I gave you information in my video, and that's what you gotta do. You just pay attention to levels that I show you. I, as an analyst, as a trader, I spend time making those researches, and right now they made good. Look, they're touching it right now. They're breaking it right now. So we can use, look here, we can use a Fibonacci extension. 1, 2, 3, and so those are our targets, like 130 pips in, like intraday trade, and this is your target right now. But it's not what we're waiting for. After they break the tendency, we'll enter market with the target 131. Okay, now I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to Nasdaq. Let's go to Nasdaq, because Nasdaq is something that I like right now, and I still like it, and target is 14,130. Technical research that I do is still the same. Right now there is no sell signal, just right now. If you want to find an entry point, this is about 200 moving average, but it doesn't look beautiful to buy right now. We had some entry points in, like a week ago, we had those entry points. Right now, it's not the most beautiful situation to enter market. What you can do if you really want to trade Nasdaq, or like you hold your long positions, you just can check if they break the resistance. So they go above 14,040, 14,045, they go above this area. This is a good opportunity for you to wait for this price. 14,120, 14,140. So this area, I would say. And to say right now that this is a sell signal, or like it's okay to sell right now, no, it's not like that. If we have a middle term idea to buy, so I'm gonna be looking for entry points to buy and to buy. So here is a question: do you have a weekly outlook for the indexes Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P 500? It's online. It's here online on YouTube, and I do it actually more often, but I didn't do it for English-speaking area. For Russian-speaking area, I make it a couple of times a week. So if you feel like you need it here on YouTube, it's not that hard for me to include those instruments on YouTube streams as well. And on weekly, not on daily basis, but on weekly basis, it's a good idea. Let's do it, guys. yeah, you know, more and more you understand, more you give to people, it becomes more easier and easier to share and to give what I see. And I like when people enjoy it. I like when people understand what I'm telling about, and they earn money on that, because we all know it's not that easy. So yeah, we go to S&P 500 and our targets are still the same. It goes up to 4,220. Right now there is no sell signal. Right now there is nothing that gives us an opportunity to go down. So we are still in long positions. We are still with an idea to go up. We make the level of resistance here, level of resistance, level of support. We make this tendency, and we understand while price is being above this tendency, we are good with our long positions. If you want to enter market right now with the long positions, you are welcome. Keep going. But you gotta remember about the stop loss, okay? Just remember about stop loss. This is a really important thing. About the Dow Jones, there is nothing cool about Dow Jones like to say that, well, it's kind of special, or it also goes up. It also goes up, and target is really high actually. So if you hold long positions, you are welcome to hold it. And while price is above all those tendencies, it will go up. It will just go up, and so nothing interesting going on here. Nothing, you know, like that we have to worry about right now. Okay, about DAX, they reached our target, like pips. They reached our target point to point, and I'm so glad about that. It was perfect. Do we have a sell signal right now? No, we don't. Market is just giving us a reaction on a good level of resistance. This was our target, so we got our target. Okay, now we are going to Nikkei. Let's discuss Nikkei, and we have level of resistance, which is 30,300, and above this area we'll talk about long positions. Not right now. I was a really optimistic person about this instrument, and I was the one who was like, oh, we need to buy it, we need to buy it. And you remember that we were buying it. We got a really good movement here. Yes, it was like that, but after couple of days, couple of weeks, they're not in a trend anymore. Like they broke this area in February. I thought that it's not okay to trade it right now. Let's wait. So I'm still waiting. I'm not entering market. I'm waiting. Let's wait. So also, you know, I quit some stock this last week. Yeah, so I closed some positions that I thought will be good, but right now I think that I'd better put money into other projects. So yeah, like Nikkei is one of them also, so it doesn't look like cool to invest in Nikkei right now. After they show me good technical reason, I will give them money, but not right now. What else? We discussed gold, we discussed Ethereum, we will discuss Bitcoin with you, and also this is not an entry point to buy Bitcoin. Let's wait, let's give them time. Maybe they will show you 41,000, and there, this will be a good moment to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so I wanna check also about the Brent and Great Britain pound. Yeah, let's go to Brent and Great Britain pound. I will open my terminal where I give analytical researches. It's not for trading because it's not a good one idea to trade there, but for explanation and for technical drawings, I really like this instrument. So for Brent, I feel like it may go up because different currency pairs who are based on Brent oil, it's like Norwegian krone, it's Mexican peso, it's Russian ruble, it's Canadian dollar. So all those instruments, they show me a technical opportunity to be higher than the American dollar index. It means that if all those oil dependent currencies are ready to go high, who will support them? Either a really cheap American dollar, either a really expensive Brent oil. So I would keep my eye on an idea that they will show us a good entry point to buy Brent oil. You got to be ready for that. This is Brent oil. Price now 66.70, and this is 1 hour chart. So I don't think that you are trading all those pips for Brent, and it's better to hold the position here. I'm gonna wait while they will show me some good technical reason to enter market. But due to the situation for like Canadian dollar, you know my target. You know my target for the Canadian dollar. It's like that. It's here. 1.2161, 2170. So yeah, this is my target. And for Brent, if they show me something beautiful technically, I will enter the market with the long positions up to 69.60. 69.60 up to there, but right now there is no good signal, so let's wait. And about the Great Britain pound, okay, it's going up, but I'm not buying it. I don't see good technical reason for that. Due to my technical researches, it's under the Ishimoku cloud. It's, look here, they break the tendency from April 2020. They break this tendency. And it does not look beautiful to buy or to sell on daily chart. Due to this fact on daily chart, I do not like what they are trying to show. Will they go to 140? Maybe they will. Right now, I don't see entry points. So they're going up, but I don't do anything. If you bought it and you are in profit, I'm so glad for you. You're so cool. But this is not for me right now. Maybe we'll put this target 140. Let's check how they will react on 139, and maybe if they break it, I will enter market up to 140. But that's not like 100%. I'd rather trade this Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. I told you also that it's a good opportunity for us to trade those 100% range. They are in a good range. They give you a really good opportunity to take those 100%. 100 pips targets. So above 173 you go to 174, and you can see how this range works for many days. From 174 they go to 173, under 173 they go to 172, and so this is like 100 pips up down, and this is something that we can use right now. Okay, so I gave you a lot of information, and I hope that you like what I share with you. So you're welcome to stay on my channel, press those hearts on my Instagram, press these fingers under the video on YouTube, and you're welcome to join Telegram, Instagram, YouTube. Ask your questions, and if you do not know how to do something with your money, it's not okay to just try to do something. Learn, practice, trade. Learn base information, practice with your hands to buy, to put stop loss, to fix your profit. Be in a communication with your manager at broker. So you have to be on the line with the manager where you trade. And after you understand that in any force majeure situation, you are ready to react on that, like any stop loss, you understand how to put it. Any, I don't know, well, something crazy going on with the market, so you can call to a manager and ask like what's going on. So you have to be ready for anything, and after that you put your money and trade. Okay, and also remember about the money management. This is something that you have to think about. Like if you have this amount of money, you don't trade all of them. You trade only like 3, 4, 5, 6%. And those 5, 3, 6%, I know this sounds crazy for you, because usually Forex traders, they put like 50% of their money, 60% of their money to trade, and it brings you guys to lose. If you don't use money management, all my analytical researches are useful. If you use money management and you use my analytical researches, you will be really rich. You will get to a good profit. You will get profits all the time. But you have to remember about money management, not only about my researches, okay? Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I wish you profits and see you later. Bye-bye. All your ideas, you're welcome to write under